Hello and welcome to 312 Twin Eagles Drive here in Northeast Columbia. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath patio home. Pretty decent sized driveway right here, and also you have a fully fenced in backyard with patio as well. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. Right here you have your pretty neat walkway right here that leads from the front yard all the way into the backyard. Here you have the back portion of the home, and there you have your patio. And pretty high fence as well. And right here you have your storage closet. And then these two doors right here lead into the living room portion of the home, which we'll take a look at in one moment. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. Okay, we have just entered the front door. As soon as you come in from the front door off the foyer, you look to your right, you have your kitchen. Right here, you have your white cabinets. Very nice. It has the gold accents for the knobs. And then you have your very nice and neat backsplash with the blue and white right here. And you have your galley-style kitchen. And you have the same backsplash right here on this side, and also the white cabinets with the gold accent on the knobs as well. And right here you have your refrigerator and the dishwasher right here. Going through here, you have your dining room portion of the home. You have your chandelier right here. Pretty good size space. And then you have your living room portion of the home, which you have your fireplace, ceiling fan, and that's why I mentioned earlier in the video to where you can go out into the patio and into the backyard. All right, right here to the right, you have your master bedroom, which we'll save that for last. We'll go ahead and look at the other bedroom at the front of the home and also the bathroom as well. As soon as you come in, also from the front door, you have your closet right here. And you have two entrances to the main bathroom right here. You have one through bedroom number 1, but then you have also one right here in the hallway to where you can enter that way. And you have your single vanity sink, pretty decent sized mirror, also white cabinets, and then you have your tub and shower combo. Right here to the left, you have bedroom number 1. You have your ceiling fan, and it is carpeted as well. And you have your window that looks out into the front of the neighborhood. That door right there is your closet. Should go ahead and take a look inside there. And we're going to go ahead and go back through the hallway, and we're going to look at the master bedroom. Here's the master bedroom. You have your ceiling fan right here. Also a window that looks onto the backyard. A pretty decent amount of space in the master bedroom. Definitely bigger than bedroom number 1. And then you have your master bathroom, and also the walk-in closet right there, which also has your washer and dryer connections in there as well. And let's go take a look at the master bathroom. Also a bigger bathroom than the one in the hallway. You have your pretty large mirror right here, your single vanity sink, also white cabinets. Then you have your laminate flooring and your stand-up shower and cabinet as well. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home, which is 312 Twin Eagles Drive here in Northeast Columbia. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, patio home, very nice home. For more information, you can go to our website at turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. Any questions that you might have, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.